Do you know how much girls talk? It's Energizer Bunny's got nothing on girls. They could talk and talk and talk and talk. You could fall asleep, you wake up, they're still talking to you. They're still talking to you. They don't stop. Alhamdulillah, I have 3 girls. 2 of them were going to school up until last year. Now all 3 of them go to school. And I used to pick them up from their school. And so I'm picking them up from school, and Waliya starts telling me, Abba, you know what happened today? My hair clip fell out. My hair clip, the purple one fell out, but the pink one was still there. When the purple one fell out, my friend said, hey, your purple one fell down. Pick it up. So I picked it up. I said, it's a little dirty. It's not that dirty. Then I cleaned it up a little bit. When I put it back on, it didn't get on the right way. So I took the purple one off and the pink one off too. And then my friend helped me put it back on. And you know what I should do at this point? I should say, yeah. Like I'm totally zoned out, not listening. But actually, I have to make it a conscious effort to actually listen and say, so what happened to the pink one then? What about the purple? I have to actually listen. Because and if you're not listening, your kids know. Your kids know, especially girls. They're really sharp. They pick it up. Like I said, blah, 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 blah. And you're going saying, they'll throw in, can I have $50? It's happened to me. I've caught myself. It'll happen. But we have to become good listeners, especially the father. The moms, naturally, Allah has given them certain gifts. Like parenting comes more naturally to a mother. Allah has given her that gift. He just makes her nurturing, soft, caring, concerned, just naturally. Fathers have to work on it. You're sitting at home, your child falls down. Who gets up immediately? Who does that? The father? The father's sitting there, pick yourself up, child. Dust it off. Nothing. That's nothing. Don't worry about it. Just a little bit of blood. The mom will go crazy. It's natural to her. I'm telling the fathers here, if we want our children to be raised in Islam, the first thing we need to be is their best friend. And that takes work. It takes serious work.